Actually, I am talking someone in this app, but every time I am using with translate. This is not good, I know, but
It's okay, maybe for a language we are not studying, and maybe it's okay because we don't even know the language that was written. But for English, you have to start really trying to think in English.
yes,
And the way to solve that is to keep listening, keep trying to surround your daily life with English. It can't be just 1 hour, 30 minutes, and then you put your phone down and you go have fun. You come back once a night. It has to be all day long English.
yes, you are right.
You feel like you're not moving up, right?
Yes, not much moving up.
I think now it's definitely not the time to quit or slow down. This is the moment where you need to really push forward and expose yourself to English more and more. And I think you're almost there.
Yes. My
There you go.
pronunciation is not good.
Do you want me to
How
help you?
can be yes, how can we
Okay.
improve that? Because in Turkish we say all word like know, but in English no. I
I
mean
got you. I got you. Give me a second. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?